Ye Manso Akwesiso. Assembly member and what is Kasano Stephen in Siakesi Kumpese assembly member electoral area hono wa or assembly member or kase the cost wo nyina Nina Omabo DCE Amansie mensa kamia minua honorable Benjamin Marfo or DCE Amansie South. Mamini didn't come about this development near my coso ewo Manso Akwesiso. Chief, what you mean come ati?
Yeah, maybe.
Na honamu se bibia boko de.
Yankopon adom bibia e.
Ye de nyame ase. Manso Akwesiso. Assembly member na ye no edi nkomo ifa wa homa no so wo se niema ekoso ho reclamation ekoso de wo mu nyina no sojafo a wo mabegu kromo tete mrantie ne sotro mo bonkrofo prepra nkrofo ni nyina no mabon amane untu ho na mobia na ba kwa wu na anu ya mo mani abre Manso Akwesiso de ekoso ho no briefing be na wanya information be so na wo
so ina me dasi anwa ni me be se no ana no miti ase na me nya na tie se asambia si wa Akwesiso ama dipa ba kon wa hwe ne nkwa tie ma me fre kromo ho hene se o kromo ho na onimbi esi anka omo minchi mu kakra ni tofa bomo boy ani se naimos asojafo aban ayi omo ti o se omumbo galamse ho enkuntia galamse eba operation wa Akwesiso to operation ni mu no se omo koto manti bi omo ye adwuma na approach asojafo no ma warning shot the warning shot no to the obvious with you then say omo pray say obia begani ti gani no na ba kokoto isum say omo de ye adwuma no o to mu no say manti ni no bi so ye say ka omo kwa koyi wo mo according to original asojafo no ye say omo can say or as omo they wanted to prevent them. That is according to Ohinano. Nti bra o to su no na say so ya for no ekoye no mlante ne yeso mu koyi no na koyi no na wa emre. So mdi ni do ago su na doctor declare say welcome. Eti mami ye say ne so na imus for no on penny back. Israel no na say me line mu enye. Na me pinchi mu kakra. Eti 1999 komo yeah mre na me bo police commander man ye say no pay dissect yesia na yen free opinion leaders like assembly member na o line so no yen free no na yen free na most for no na obia mo ni nchiri mu said e be ya e be hu na ye de ye wo se de to ya to ticket of abom kakra.
I see. Chief, not just we are aware of South operation or more about within your district. No, we are aware.
The patch fine, we are aware.
Okay. And for how long now, our district in
87.9 Kumasi.
Oh, Oma will match kakra the last year. Me can actually, but Oma will Omo protective reclamation exercise this and almost sign operations on mining.
Okay.
Then round one.
Okay. So if me person me tia say ya omo protection omo de ma reclamation e cost wo ho no. Is it the practice? Are there a practice e wo ho say omo ba bia and that's omo reclamation bi o say 24/7. Soja for ebo omo ho ban na.
Oh, Minia, reclamation exercise normal. Just last 3 weeks, Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Amaku Figua, share Jumedia or Mudino, a contract between Newmont Ghana Limited and the Ghana government. Which over say, yes, we are for now holiday. Abana na do mobile so mumra me for reclamation so they be if you know the government a project all year.
Okay. And akwasi sunko na omo ye bi other areas within our district no.
Akoma si o reclaim vast land. Akoma si compensate reclamation bi the cost of call so here boy tia reclamation bi akoso ho.
Ntina mi busa se eho no nyina no 24/7 soldier for ho a omo e protect omo. Enna na mpese mi hu. Se yankoma se ne areas na obo ni nyina no. Soldier for
South Africa for no back or crash. Really. So more. They are where said 9 months for away district.
I am asking this question because proud to sa exercise na mabuna wo akwasi so ne areas compare any other areas no na omo resist say ombetimi ayade no nti abanfa emfa resources ne ma wo mo no mo abeye wo mo ye ombe kata so ne ade sa information no sa wo
Ibacho obia emfa document bia ma menim say obeye reclamation nti me ma wo ye as I speak assemblyman no general line so no if say on the man for aba no so obeye reclamation the letter be aba so obeye reclamation we see reclamation exercise is government exercise a national assignment and he said almost person reclamation on the letter premier I will forward it. This group of people want to do reclamation. You need to know if I make a moment reclamation. As I speak to you, me good to be on my banner horse and more reclamation.
As the head of DCE, you know, sa demonstration na almost year before sa company no ebe ba ho no because time omo ba no me kai say ya cry this an komo no almost shit tie say wo ho so omo mpene omo ma no mo betima ya omo de ani ade sa bre no mu no anamo be na wutu ye wo engage will be on this one because e ka me say sa no na didi mu ama o time bi abeto wo mo entem wo ho.
Yeah, you see say demonstration be a how until our demonstration. Reclamation no authority on that reclamation. Enti demonstration there over here, but we are funny say the how now I am means no bo win to me say me need to be as a make my pam contractor na all your reclamation say oko and as a soldier for some call because what the district executive we have need to know say NIMOS is a recognized institution as a body, a government, you know. If somebody is doing his reclamation as DCE, which is a contract between Ghana government and that person, how can I stop them from doing the reclamation?
At the time, no, unya community no. Omo ye that demonstration. Usia omo.
Oh yeah, I call them. Say mean sabibri was reclamation so. Inti young chef abano reclamation. DCE. I can't fight the president. The president agenda is that we land the asset or the companies normal reclaim. So how can I? Some of them assemblyman, some of the members came to my house on the same issue. They came to my house on one Sunday morning. So,
we are aware say community no. I say omunya nkombe, but official obi am for paper. M2 when him say official.
Exactly. And now you can't just stand up and say me here reclamation without resort to any authority. So that makes sense. The community require is in the right direction. As I said, no some it's good. I'm even trying to engage Akoma Company Limited because reclamation on my all the side process was we want Ghana to new want now any have the crown at Ghana government Katansa so there as a mining company in our district they can also do same ye kwan ho so waba man so a go isu kwan no nyina I hope na kata so that is why you see training college you dey project kesi bi until if the community some people in the community and your person by reclamation we pass through the necessary process no my because I will support that reclamation because I think reclamation is one of the ways you need to their support to government because I kata so there ram pass will be ya kata access no time akodi yala say onye think akra no se kwan no me aden de ebit na kata nkaka nti
eju kire omo kwan no o kire omo kwan no o sia omo that time o kire omo kwan no process also omo fa so o guide omo say if they indeed they want to do it say they omo come is serious they should go through the process o no omo this ankom no
oh so also omo ba na trati no ndini hu amanda we
so omo ba o ho eno abehia ana we ofia semenya office de ntino yanka say official
me bacho 70 bi wa mint me no kano phone so sa it would be opa make na no akasa off na enema omba si nkoma idi ene said the esiko no kamati e dia
no but the ram person me meti ase ne say which eno de minim so betima share ne say omo ba fie no o ka che omo say omo go through the normal process o chira mo process omo fam because they be no so kro process
me pacho so bi ba fi no be din nkoma no nsem bibre ewu sort of amtina say ade bi wo a mintimi enfan to dwasa but what you say also bi betima make demand bi that demand no you can't satisfy that demand that means that demand no
okay let's say na be 50-50 and 60-60 and 70-30
but so
ze bia fa mo na what the more a wo mo so benya bia di na mama mo so bia
me pacho men cancer but the make sense say me DC my soul off of secrecy off of a whole lot of things there are certain issues I can't put it on air but one on one with you no I can tell you what actually happened in my house and maybe what I also expressed to them. That's what I say.
Okay. Nanti ne ache so omo de omo ye na ache so omo nya hu kwan ntina omo ne abra omo ne sojafo no yesa no.
Exactly. We don't omo ba reclamation there. We are ready. I'm even ready say even plan say during my term of office no some lands along the roads and other things will be reclaimed. I'm going to engage with some institutions or more edit my support to me reclaiming lands maybe a war plan no say the better come and that should be an you to be say reclamation my yankuma say dia or more ye kofa so na buy and say I mean to me but you know say some of the opinion leaders have come to me say they want to take the land for buildings and other things. But meanwhile, when they were reclaiming, they demonstrated against it. But now, about the young Faswama,
okay, you are my reclaiming, no. I am from India Mate. India Mate say,
yes.
Ohona Nano, Aiba, no. Lands and Natural Resources Minister by.
Yes.
And Yatisa, I am fully busy on confirm Mamuna, or Munchucham, Fancy, Diner. I know there, yeah, was information.
Yes, and it is a good demand. Because Ukraine offer this year so now mind being near the idea. But I'm not confused with what say. The Marfo say yeah, assassin and farmer and I'm so let's give the land back to the chiefs and also anyway other matters. You see, in same view they see say there are certain things a being so a bit so yeah reclaiming resist say but it has become the property of the district. This is also the agricultural so bank chrono that in the Ambanya Faso. It's only Vienna in Yano. Some of the community members came to me and I mean stop for no Munda in Vienna because only they see what that. But that is not, it is beyond me. So reclamation don't necessarily mean Katasu contract normal. In the the land is still for the what? For the community.
I see. Okay. For your DCE Amansie South. Honorable Benjamin Marfo na yene no edin komo e wo de see ama ezenipa ba kwa hwere ne nkwa wo manso akwasi so no ena eguso a ene no edi nkom high Akoma 87.9 FM. Chief mami musa this last question na menyana na wa ahoma no so na me na eni nkom. Last question me busa ne so omo say omo report ya ma so tro omo bo omo nyina ni pra omo prepare nyina no omo the evidence omo the abrew e wo office. This is according to the assembly member. Ose bro ya bro omo nyina no o ya aware.
Honorable Obani bro no kra ne bi say me DC ni say soja for no mbo
so mo the abrew wa ka ho hwede sa no mbeka.
Papacho so bibu obi a you should report to the police. This is not my property soja di. So say BBC and police and report man. So therefore all these reports you know because I think you are means infantry. You know I call them. This is the situation. And you are the DC and I'm from Penibako. So this is what is happening. None line me. So let's say Bia my woman say yeah more my Marfo. Can I do that? And the president sit down and say I'm going to make to share Marfo for Ghana. You see yeah a quite a faso. Yeah faso. So
okay.
But they want me the DCE to go maybe and confront the soldiers. No, we don't do that. We call them. This is the situation. Please, more activities. No, saying for I didn't know about I engage them in my office.
Oh, okay. Inti omo the report about who engage military for say excesses no omu ntwaso say be bo bia mamoja ne ade aba.
Because the new crowd enka call galamsey site akopam obi won takoni gane kra nka kani pemu a me as a civilian nke yenya ama na nya ne no nko so ni wo gane but so ti ase
no investigation mo dey na mo be about it this report e ba ne say wona omo ye kra ye kwa kofa no omo so mo ye mfa no e na ode ewu ni ade ede na o as DCE there na obeye o anamobe na wutu about this to establish exactly what caused Abrantia and New.
No, Pacho, no, obi who a police assem. I think I'm a penny no in Nakasa or say or Muma or report the case officially to the police. And so many this year. I want to get the side of the NIMOS. It is as a DC. I'm engaging. I'm calling for a meeting, dissect meeting, to find out what actually happened. Okay. We are a police assembly.
Okay.
Because initially, no one family could see two police, so they need the board. And see, have to find out what actually happened.
So beyond that, are you going to investigate it?
We see, say the police never investigating. Yes, I was asking the police to investigate.
Okay.
Whether it is a gunshot or whatever. But I'm not confirm say it is not a gunshot. I don't know the side of the assemblyman.
No, assemblyman they say omo no edinachi. I mean no koto mu na I mean ti ono anka gunshot ho asem. Assembly member anka gunshot ho asem.
Okay. So
assembly member no unyini ni ana.
Oh, madam Mupano no.
Go say the ususu say we a na bibi say we a. Oje say we obe ka asem fufuro bi different from the naneka. Ana
oh me on say asem sia obi a wo say dey see when I got a call say a gunshot nti na mama here kakra but na confirm and no pay ya
na wo ahoma no so mpacho minim say bia na kwache jima yeboa ono asem na wo kan
mpacho na
enya no kra wa ahoma yenya no wa ahoma no so ono ya kwasi so ehene nti